we proceed to the next stage of construction. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Every time we upload a new video, you'll always get a notification. Now at this stage, we do setting of the structure. It is very important. Then that you do pillars at the corners, so that after doing the pillars at the corners, you can be able to get the alignment. Then do a straight tag and measure at every point where you are done the pillar holes, the different intervals. Like in this case, the structure measures 8 by 80 meters, and therefore our interval at the pillars is going to be 10 feet. Like the distance from a pillar to a pillar is 10 feet or is 3 meters. So then you mark using pegs or ink or using the knots on the straight thread or on the straight string that you've used to do the wall. After that, then do the pillars, do filling with concrete, and then give it time, do curing every evening so that the pillars can hold, or the corner pillars can hold. And then this one will ease in the putting of the other pillars, and that will make the work for you very easy and very straightforward. Like now in our case, you can see we are doing the setting of the 4 pillars, so that now we can move to the next stage. Well, it looks like it's a tedious process, but then you just have to follow it so that you can get the best results. And always check using a plumb bob so that you can ensure that it is straight, it is in line with exactly what you want, just to achieve good and better results. Remember, the straightness of the wall determines the roof. So if the wall is not straight or the pillars are not straight, then it's not going to give you a very good roofing alignment. And that's why we pay so much attention to the pillars and the straightness of the wall. Or rather, it also much or more of determines the beauty of the whole structure as such. So there we go, our mason confirms to see if the pillar is then straight using a plumb bob. And then we do the alignment from the bottom just to get the results. So you can see we've already fixed the other pillars. We've already put mortar in them and curing has been done. So we move into the next phase, which is now raising the foundation wall. So that one, you'll then introduce a mortar. The mortar is just a mixture of sand, cement and water without the ballast. And therefore, you can do 3 courses of blocks, from which then you can do backfilling, that is using the red soil, and then you will do the hard course, and then you can do the maram. But then doing the side blocks or the side wall is very important, and that's what you actually start with, and that's what you can see exactly we're doing in this case. So watch the video till the end. You'll be able to see how we do the backfilling using the red soils. That's how the lorries will reverse into the structure, then drop the soil, and then you'll be able to see how we do the floor using the hard cores, and then you'll be able to see how we do the dumping off, and you'll also be able to see how we do, basically be able to see how we do the floor, because in this video mostly we work on the foundation and the floor. So you'll be able to see how we do backfilling using red soil, and then you'll be able to see how we do the floor alignment using the hard cores, and you'll also be able to see us use the maram just to do works on the floor. We are working on such a type of floor because the floor is going to be exposed to a very heavy load bearing, because you can look at having cages, which is H-type cages, and the weight distribution per unit is very high, and that's why the floor has to be able to hold such a weight, and also it has to also be able to control dumping off in case of such an eventuality. So watch the video till the end and you'll be able to see all this that we're doing. And if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, and also remember to share the channel and the video as much as you can to your friends.
nakwambia wanaongeka tu. Muoneshe mama.